Dear VLSI freshers, do you get questions like whether semiconductor industry will stay for a long time or not? Or like, do you also get the questions like which domain is better in semiconductor industry? Or do you get questions like which domain is very high paid in semiconductor industry? So today, let's discuss what is the difference between the planning and overthinking. Because I used to do this even so openly, I just wanted to discuss this, what is overthinking and what is planning. So when it comes overthinking, you keep on thinking any topic about your career whenever you're making choice about like which domain you have to go, where you paid very well, which company you have to go, or maybe should I go to semiconductor industry or should I go to software? You keep on getting these questions. I agree, but there will be some conclusions once you talk with somebody, or maybe once you do your own research. But once you have the conclusion, that you have to take those actions after the conclusion. If you keep on keeping every decisions open, those decisions are not closing, are called overthinking. So when it comes to planning, so you are doing some research and you are also maybe you are discussing with somebody, you have some certain point where you will be able to discuss, correct? So after the discussion and all like that, you will come to conclusion, then you will take a decision. After taking decision, you take an action step. Either you want to, whatever it might be, you want to enter into semiconductor industry, this domain, this institute, this is how the plan works, right? So you have decided. Once you decided, you should never go back. This is called planning, because you have planned so nicely. So then you have to take step forward, right? So sometimes also things like, you will be around 22, 25, 26, right? So you'll be still thinking like, no, this domain is not good. Still you have a lot of age to change your domain. You can explore. If you can work in one domain for 1-2 years, then if you're not liking it, so then you switch to other domain. If you're not liking it, you switch to other domain. The surface level exploration you can do still after you getting into your job. So the conclusion here is, don't overthink. Plan your career very well by either research or maybe taking an expert advice, anything. But once you take decision, go ahead with the decision, whatever, no matter what happens for next 90 days or maybe even 3 months to 6 months, I can tell. Yes, hope it helps. All the best.